today will be the first and only day this year we're going to finally take the 6.4 to the track. Robert's put a bunch of work into trying to get that truck ready to have fun with. Didn't really know if it was going to pass tech or not because it's had a lot done, and thankfully just a couple little things they want to fix real quick. So I'm running back to the shop. I got to grab a drill and some tape and a couple little dinky things. All in all, not bad. After that kind of a build, as much work went into it, I'm surprised more wasn't a problem getting it to pass. But we should be good. I'm just gonna grab this stuff real quick, and then I'm gonna get some good videos today. And I don't know. I guess just stitch them all together and post them up of how it goes and see how it does. I know before we did everything, right now we've got we've got nitrous mounted and everything. It's got room for a lot more, but we're just using it as a spooler jet for the 76. It's just got a SXE 7687 on it, and it's fine. You can get it online. It's got a 2800 stall converter, but last year it was kind of sorry about the sun there. Last year it was kind of a problem trying to get it to sit where we wanted it to sit on the line. We would get it up on boost and it would either overshoot or undershoot, and it was really hard to just hold it. So hopefully with this spooler jet we'll be able to manage it a little bit better. So but last year we weren't even at full tilt yet, and at full weight we were already just over the line of where we had to get a cage to continue on. But we had to have a roll bar, but if we were going to spray it, we'd get back down into cage territory, I imagine, anyway. So it just needs a full cage. So that'll be next year's project, but we would like to get a couple passes in today. Should be fun. We'll just see how it goes. See how it goes. See if you can get a handle on the spool jet. All right, so that didn't quite go as expected. Ran good, everything was awesome. Ran 1151 at 115. It's pretty good for a first pass out. No learning on the trans. Haven't driven the truck with this setup at all. I was on it was a 12 or 1400 US tune, so it's fairly small. Definitely a lot more in it, and no spray other than the spool jet. Kind of need a roll cage for that, but figured out, as you can see from here. Well, let's blow it up. Blew the glass out, so that's why they say use leg stand other than for weight. Kind of makes sense now. So because it was the last race of the year, that means that next year we will have it ready with better glass. And we got to address some more, like you'll see on the underhood side here. We've got definitely had a little bit of work to do on piping, do a velocity stack, do a roll cage. Still got kill level O-ringed heads and ARP studs and everything, but it's still blowing coolant. So I'm pretty sure that still have a leak somewhere. Hopefully not a cracked block or anything. That was the case last year too, though. So tear that back down, figure that out, and hopefully just have a good setup. We're going to stay with the 5R. We were going to switch to a 4R, but it just didn't seem worth it. 5Rs kind of want to push them and see how it does, but just try to keep it consistent, in the high 10s, low 11s, just a fun, enjoyable truck we can come race every weekend. That's kind of the goal, rather than trying to compete. There's really nobody to compete with up here when it comes to diesels anyway. So anyway, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And also, another thing, we are working on several really good podcasts about gear ratios, tire size, torque converter, how they come into play, and like how you should choose them based on what you're doing. Make sure to check out our podcast. That'll be posted with graphs and everything on our YouTube channel also. Both of them will just be 1023 Diesel. 1023diesel.com is the website. Our podcast is 1023 Diesel Shop Talk. And then on YouTube, it's 1023 Diesel and Fleet. There's an Instagram too, again, just at 1023 Diesel. Check them out. Lots of good information is getting ready to be posted. And if you're looking for diesel parts, of course, 1023diesel.com for that. Talk to you guys soon.